Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. If you've been watching the past couple vlogs, you already know your boy's trying to cut down on his weight. So for the last weigh-in, I was 208.9, so today is another weigh-in day. So I'm hoping that I'm underneath 208.9, so let's get it. Yes, let's freaking go, baby. Let's freaking go. So a couple days ago, I took the GTR out. This was at nighttime. My engine temperature was at, the perfect temperature to spit some flames. So I was like, you know what? I'm on full E85 right now. Let me just see how the flames are on the GTR. So this was like my first time doing this at night, and this is how it came out. Crazy, super crazy, especially for the first time. It was pretty sick. Things we do for YouTube. I'm finally going to put on my custom carbon fiber steering wheel for the GTR. The stock one is super nice, but you can't go wrong with the carbon fiber one. You versus the man she told you not to worry about. Look at that. Oh my goodness. With the red contrast stitching. Come on, son. Quit playing. This thing is gonna look so nice. Okay, so I just dropped my car off. I do have a couple hours to spare, which is why I brought my bag. I got my water. So I was just gonna walk around, maybe get something to eat, or I could get my mom to pick me up, or I could even walk home to their house, because it's about, like 2 miles away. So I don't know, I'm just kind of debating on what to do right now. I don't know, I might just start walking, or maybe even David could pick me up and we just do some adventures with David. I don't know, the day's just kind of wherever it wants it to go. There's no agenda today, but I'm glad that the car is dropped off. The car should look amazing. This is a super random observation, but hey, I got time to talk to y'all. It's just you and me right now. And I just wanted to help you guys out if you happen to be one of these people or know somebody like this. But bro, I notice a lot of people, they be on their phones a little bit too much. There's times where you gotta put the phone down and just concentrate or be more aware of your surroundings. So for example, I'm walking, right? I see these people crossing the street. They literally don't even look. And they're just on their phones, like their heads down like this, they're on their phone, and I'm like, bro, you're gonna get hit by a car, man. If you're crossing the street, bare minimum, get off your phone for that period of time, because you never know what's gonna happen. And on top of that, they had both of their AirPods in. It's like, bro, whenever I'm doing a walk or whenever I'm by myself, bro, I got one ear listening to the streets, I got one ear listening to music. You gotta be aware of your surroundings. Every now and then, check behind you, make sure there's no weirdo following you. Make sure nobody can do a sneak attack on you. You just gotta be aware of your surroundings, bro. And I see this all the time, so I don't know. I feel like it would be common sense at this point. Be aware of your surroundings, make sure everything's good. That was my learning lesson for the day. Right now, I'm just gonna use this time to kind of get you guys an update on the GTR. Like, what's the whole situation? Because last time I gave you guys an update, a lot of you guys were scared. You're like, yo, he's gonna sell the car, he's gonna do this, he's gonna do that. And there was also a lot of, overwhelming support, which was amazing. So the verdict is we're keeping the GTR. Now the offer that I got on the car was $100,000. This is just a cashier's check, money's ready to go. First of all, I'm not in dire need of this cash at the moment. If I had something huge that I was trying to pay for, or money was getting a little bit tight, for sure, yeah, I would sell the car in a second. But I'm in a really comfortable spot right now where I have the luxury of having this car that I paid for, and the GTR I paid for in cash. So there's no loan on it. I don't owe any money on it. And that was one thing when I bought the car. I was like, I cannot buy this dream car unless I'm able to pay for it in cash, because that just proves to you, man, if you're buying a car of that caliber, it's not a necessity. You don't need it, so there's no reason to go into debt for it. If you could pay it in cash, that's amazing. A lot of people aren't able to do that. So I was blessed enough to be put in a position where, you know, I saved a lot of money, saved up all my chips, and I was able to dump it into that car and pay for it in cash. So there's no burden of owning this car. I know a couple people that have pretty expensive cars, their loan payments are, I don't know, $1,000, $2,000 a month, which is, damn, bro. So simple as that. That was just one thing. And then the other thing is, there's only 4 GTRs currently for sale right now in a 500-mile radius of my area. So the Bay Area, there's only 4 of them. And if you look at how much those are going for, one of them was on Stevens Creek Nissan or Stevens Creek something, one of the dealerships. They had a 2009 GTR last week for $98,000. Bone stock, about 85,000 miles, and they just acquired another one that has very similar specs to it, and they're selling that one for about 88,000, and they just did an $8,000 markdown on that. So that car used to be 96,000 bucks. So if a 2009 is selling for basically almost $100,000 and has that many miles on it, it's like, man, it's gonna be tough for me to get this car in the future, especially a low mile one like I have. I have a 2016 with 27,000 miles, and the previous owner dumped a bunch of money into it. I want to say he dumped at least 40 grand into all of the modifications. He did the upgraded transmission, he did the full SP700 package, which is like, they literally do everything to the car. They tune it, exhaust, everything. Injectors, everything, like you name it, it's been done to the car. So if I ever wanted to get back to what I currently have, it's like, man, it just doesn't make sense for me to do that on my own. Me finding that car was a blessing. Me being able to purchase that car is a blessing. So why not just enjoy my blessings and keep things moving, bro? So there's no reason for me to, you know, let something like that go. Let's just enjoy it. I'm young, I'm 25, I got no kids, I got nothing to hold me back. My main goal still is to get a house by either the end of this year or early next year. So that's what I'm working towards. That's what I'm working for these days. That's why I'm trying to be a little bit more careful with how I'm spending my money, how I'm like shifting things around. So your boy is growing up. Anyways, I'm currently headed to David's place right now. We're gonna go get lunch. It's about like a 3-mile walk. It's just me out here. It's just me. Enjoying this weather. It's nice. Getting my little tan in. I'm going to Hawaii soon. I'm actually curious to see how many of y'all listened to that whole rant that I just did, or that whole story time. So if you guys listen to that whole thing, comment banana smoothie down below, because I know some people be skipping, but this is my only time to give you guys real life updates, one-on-one, and speak my mind on things. So I'm gonna do my best to do that. That's what the vlog channel is for. That's why you guys watch the vlog channel. So yeah, that was my story time. I'm gonna keep walking, burning these calories, so we can have a nice little lunch. Update, I just made it to Mission College, all the way from Rotten Robbie on Lafayette. So if you guys know the area, it's not too bad of a walk. I think this was maybe about 2 miles. So total today I walked about 7 miles, because in the morning I walk about 5. Right now I'm waiting for Mr. David Got Kicks to pick me up from school. Everybody got picked up, all my friends, they all got picked up, and I'm just here. I felt like a kid being picked up from school.
Yeah, I felt like a dad picking you up.
What the fuck is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We got David Got Kicks in the building.
You're really like starting it?
No, it's been started.
Oh. Hey guys, I'm David. I'm coming back to YouTube sometime.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alex and I had a little talk yesterday, and just be on the lookout, please.
David just picked me up, so we're gonna go do something. Oh, these guys are freaking right now. I don't know if they can see it.
Yo, are they really doing that on my window?
They're really doing that.
Get a room.
2 pincher bugs are going crazy right now.
Is that on the inside or outside, guys? What do you think? This dude just finished, and he's like, I'm out of here.
Yep, he left his girl right at the bottom. You guys see her right at the bottom? Homie was like, yep, I got what I wanted.
He said he was different, but nah, he's just like everyone else.
Lunch is served. We got some brisket, we got some bulgogi, more bulgogi, meat, Just got back to David's shop. We have good news and we have bad news. So I guess I'll hit you guys up with the good news first. The good news is the steering wheel is on. Oh my goodness. This thing looks beautiful, and man, just changing the steering wheel, I could already tell this is gonna be amazing. It's gonna feel so nice to drive. Huge shout out to David for taking care of me. If you guys wanna check out his shop, he works on a bunch of cars, but a lot of the GTR people, they go to him. I'll have his shop down below in the description. Now that I gave you guys the good news, the bad news is that the spacers that we got aren't going to fit. The hub size on the GTR is a little bit bigger than the hub size that I have on here, and this was given to me by a shop. So the shop might have just gave me, like, you know, the wrong ones that don't fit for this car, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and return them. I'm happy with the steering wheel though. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I left you for a minute. It's been like maybe 3 days. 3 days since I left you guys. But what I'm gonna do is end this vlog right here and right now. I'm gonna be going on a flight tomorrow, so what I'm doing is, you know, just packing all my bags, getting everything ready. But I wanted to leave this video and ask you guys for a recommendation. So lately I've been kind of getting into fragrances, scents, and all that good stuff. So I wanted to ask you guys, what kind of scents do you guys recommend? I'll show you guys what I recommend so we could trade. Let's trade recommendations. Let's do it. Let's start off with this one. This one I got from the homie, oh, almost dropped that. This one I got from the homie Ivan. This one smells amazing. Bleu de Chanel. This one's amazing. I love it. Shout out to Ivan for this. And then this one is a new one that I just picked up. This is the Dior Sauvage, and this is the Parfum. The Parfum edition. They got a couple of them. I believe this is the strongest one. So if you guys want something strong that will last, you do the Parfum. This one is like amazing. Joe Malone, Cypress, and Grapevine. I wish they had a candle for this or some sort of scent sticks, but they don't. But this one is bomb. So all my scent people, I need you to tap in. Let me know what the best scent is, what you recommend, what you're wearing, what gets you the most compliments, and I could check it out. Most of these are available through Nordstrom, so if you could just pop in Nordstrom, you could actually try it out and see if you guys like it before you commit. But yeah, those are my top threes. Let me know what your top three is in the comment section down below. Prepare yourself for some travel vlogs because we're about to be in Hawaii. I'm going with a couple homies and we're gonna have an amazing time as always. So hope you guys are ready for, you know, those travel vlogs. But thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. I know today was it was a mixed vlog. I did some car stuff and then now I'm just here packing bags. I know it didn't really make sense, but I hope you guys enjoy still. And again, brace yourself for some travel vlogs because I'm freaking ready, bro. I'm ready. And I'm vlogging every single day. Hold me to it. Catch y'all very soon for the next video, a travel vlog. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Deuces. Later.